you spoke about Brahm Baba. Was his name Brahm, or is there something with the god Brahma?
No, name was Dada Lekhraj. His original name was Dada Lekhraj. And then when Paramatma gave this gyan, Brahma means creation. So we are in the process of creating new sanskars for a new world. See, January 22nd, when the Ram Mandir was inaugurated, what did the Prime Minister of the country say? कि हमें भारत में राम राज्य लाना है, right? तो राम राज्य कैसे आएगा भारत में? How is it going to come? What do we mean by saying राम राज्य लाना है? राम राज्य means स्वर्णिम भारत. स्वर्णिम भारत जो था, वो स्वर्णिम भारत फिर से आना है. So how is स्वर्णिम भारत going to come? स्वर्णिम भारत will come only with those sanskars, na? स्वर्णिम भारत doesn't get created by outer progress. There is a spiritual law. संस्कार से संसार बनता है. Forget the world. Go to your house. Just look at your home. Would you call your home heaven or hell based on how beautiful it is?
No.
How big it is? No. It will depend on what's the quality of the energy in the house. What is the state of the minds of the people in the house? What is the quality of the relationship in the house? तो आज भी अगर किसी के घर में ना रिश्ते बहुत अच्छे हैं और सब कुछ अच्छा है, हम कहते हैं इनके घर में ना स्वर्ग लगा हुआ है. And in some houses, if there's a lot of chaos and conflict, कहते हैं इनके घर में ना नर्क लगा हुआ है. तो स्वर्ग और नर्क, which means स्वर्णिम भारत या कलयुगी अभी जो चल रही है दुनिया, it is based on sanskars. So if we want to change the sansar, it has to start from the sanskar. So that is the knowledge that we are studying here. Changing our sanskars from काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, ईर्ष्या, द्वेष, नफरत, which means all our so-called normal emotions of today, shifting to purity, peace, compassion, empathy, forgiveness, unity.
So did
that's that
Lekhraj
shift.
ji think that these sanskars are what prevented the world wars from annihilating
See,
humanity?
it is not his knowledge. He knew nothing.
Okay.
He knew nothing. That's what I said. He's the first student. He knew nothing. He himself was like, who's teaching all this? So he was a student just like those other 300 there with him.
So you don't read his pravachan or
Not
anything?
his.
Okay.
He was just the instrument. I said he was studying.
Huh.
It was just like, suppose I am sharing now, or I was sharing on the Awakening program. So people will think I am saying it. But it's not my knowledge. I knew nothing.
Okay.
I knew nothing. So I will never take credit for even one word of it. So I've learned from there. He also learned.
From where?
So I have learned from the Murlis, Vodo Pravachan, which we get written. But when it was being read out the first time, he was only being used as an instrument and that information was just coming out through him.
Murli, as in flute?
Yeah, we call it Murli, but the Gyan ki Murli hai.
Acha.
So we call those spiritual versions. Even today we study only those.
Is it in written form?
It's in written form.
It's in written form. So now explain to me who's the God, who is... because
Nirakar, yeah. Nirakar
I've heard
Paramatma.
that Shiv Baba bhi...
So Nirakar Paramatma. God is one. See, who is the God जब हम कहते हैं ना? Because we have started believing there are many gods.
हाँ.
No, but there are not many gods. God is one. There are many Devi Devtas. देवी देवता बहुत सारे हैं. श्री राम जी, श्री कृष्ण जी, श्री विष्णु जी, गणेश जी, ये सब देवी देवता हैं. दे आर डेटीज, राइट? तो देवी देवता बहुत सारे होते हैं. परमात्मा, परमात्मा ही नहीं होता ना, परमात्मा होता है. एंड परमात्मा एक होता है. एंड देन इट डजंट मैटर whether I am a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Buddhist or anything. Every religion will say God is one. God is energy. God is light. Nirakar. No sakar form. Devi Devtas, sakar form, which means a physical body form. Paramatma. मैं आत्मा हूँ, energy. Paramatma also energy. So Paramatma was giving the gyan through him and he was also studying and then we are also all studying.
Click here to watch the full episode.